あ、歩くの？歩くって。
よいしょ。乗るんかい。めっちゃ歩く距離短いやん。おむつ。
おむつ。
はい。
座らせていいんだよ、座らせて。あ、大丈夫？
OK？
じゃあ足がつくんじゃない？うん、そう。
Good job. Okay, perfect. There we go. And then just one more. Perfect. All done.
はい、抱っこ。
All right.
はい、きょうちゃん、抱っこ。はい。
About 82.5 centimeters.
82 and a half. Okay. Okay.
Good. 18 inches.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Oh, bye bye. You can point at something across the room. Does your child look at it?
指さした方向を向きますか？
はいはいはいはい。Have you ever wondered if your child might be
deaf っ
deaf?
て何？
聴覚障害。
ノーだよね。
ノー。
ノー。じゃあノー。
これじゃもう30分ぐらい
貸して。きょうちゃんがさ、自分を見てってやってるよね。
やってる。
これ出すって。置いとく。
あ、出していいの？
持っといてって。あ、犬。
最後にご練習しよう。よろしく。猫。
カラス。犬。猫。猫。ゴリラ。アヒル。
あと何ができたっけ？あ、羊。もう5個コンプリートしてる。
コンプリートしてる。
5個って言ってもね。
5から10って言ってる。
5から10だいぶ広い。
飛行機。
これ飛行機。
飛行機。指出した。
これ飛行機だ。飛行機。
飛行機指さした。
But have you seen any of his test results?
Test results?
Yeah, blood tests and the stool tests. They were all normal, which was
All
good.
normal?
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
So that was good news. And it looks like he's just genetically,
Yeah.
maybe a late bloomer. How many words can he say?
5.
That's okay.
Yeah,
He's supposed to be 5 to 10 words.
Yeah.
So
But mostly is
he speaks animal sounds.
animal sounds.
きょうちゃん、猫。
I'm looking at him.
カラス。
But can he say some of the more simple words in whatever language, like bye?
No bye.
No.
Mostly animal sounds.
Animal sounds.
Yeah.
So how many actual words can he say?
What?
Like no, hi, bye, that, mom, dad.
No.
I see he points very well.
Points very well.
Now he's learning 2 languages, right?
2 languages.
Japanese and Thai.
Yes.
Or is he also learning English as well?
Yes.
Okay. So what they say is it doesn't cause delay. It was you that was the late talker.
Late talker,
Yeah.
yes. 3 or 4, yes. And my uncle also 4.
Very social. Like if he wants to do something, will he come to you to bring you like a book to read?
Yes.
Okay. Not using your hands, but if you say, "Can you go get mommy?" or "Can you go pick that up?"
Oh, yes.
He'll do it without.
Without any points.
So he understands very well then.
Yeah.
Technically he is delayed. Normally at this age we want 5 to 10 actual words, not animal sounds. But nowadays they like kids to get evaluated sooner because they found that maybe it is normal. Maybe he's like mom, but what if he's 3 and 4 and he isn't like mom and he's still not talking? Then we've lost time to get him therapy. So what I would recommend, it's through the government. It's called the Regional Center. They're an organization paid through tax dollars that through our taxes that we pay to the government, that evaluates kids under the age of 3 for any disability or delays. So for him it's just speech, it sounds like, because I'm watching him walk, I see him pointing, I'm assuming he knows his name. So it sounds like it's an expressive speech delay, but the evaluation at least is free through the state. So just contact the regional center. It's self-referred, so I don't have to do anything. You just have to call them up and tell them, is he starting to do lines, not just poking?
Yeah.
Perfect. And they stack 3 things, like take 1 block and 2 blocks and stack it.
Yes, yes.
Is he okay with teeth brushing?
He doesn't like it, but
you do
try,
it.
yeah.
And then pooping? Any interest in watching you to the bathroom, sitting on the toilet?
We try to take him to the bathroom.
Right. Will he sit on it if you ask him?
Sometimes.
Okay. Oh, you change diaper in the bathroom?
In the bathroom.
Oh yeah, that's good. So
And he flushed
the toilet?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Does he like music?
Yes.
Perfect. Alright, we gotta count your teeth. Teeth. He's got a lot of teeth. Alright, open big, 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 big. Okay, let's take a look at his teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, he's got a lot of teeth. Alright, let's check your tickle spots here. Uh-oh, gonna get you, gonna get you. Gonna get you. Oh, he can do these things.
Yes.
Variety of foods. Is he decent eating meats, fruits, vegetables, drinking milk?
Yes.
Do you have poo-poo? Will he tell you, like he'll point poo-poo or no?
No.
Oh, okay. He's not there yet. Alright. Okay, sit up. Almost done. Let's just check your soft spot real quick. Any more traveling out of the country?
She and him will go to the Bangkok.
Bangkok.
On January.
On January.
Just Bangkok or off to the islands?
Only Bangkok.
Oh, that should be okay. Just you probably already know, like in certain parts of Asia, there's Japanese encephalitis.
Okay.
There's also dengue fever. Even some parts have more typhoid, which is salmonella. So, you know, if you're staying within the city, you should be fine. I don't see him for 6 months, so I won't see him for a long time. So what to do with him is contact regional center. Otherwise, continue just everything you're doing. Keep talking, keep singing, reading books. Anything else you have questions about?
I worry about his nails.
Oh, it curves.
Yeah.
Nails is an extension of skin. And babies don't have normal nails until after 3 years of age, so they're very thin. And for a lot of kids at this age, especially when they just kind of learn to walk over the last 6 months, they tend to walk on their toes, they try to reach for things on their toes, so it tends to curl a lot. If he was a picky eater, some of the suggestions I've had for people is just to take vitamin D and a multivitamin, but this is common.
どうぞ。
ありがとう。じいちゃんご
ありがとう。
ございます。Great to see you. Have a nice holiday
Yeah,
season.
that's for the season. Yeah.
Just wait here. We'll get his vaccine.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
ちょっと気をつけて。あ、そうそうそう。
でボールペン。
ボールペン。これがね、ボールペン。
できた。
はい、きょうちゃん。ナコ。イエーイ。
頑張った
頑張ったね、きょうちゃん。
ワクチン2本。
頑張った。頑張りました。
なんか検診あっさり終わったね。血液検査なんかもっといろいろ言われるかなと思ったけど、問題もなかったし。
もうプログラム
終わった。すごいシンプルだった。
ちょっと頑張っていっぱいいったの。2回も取ったんだよ。すごいいっぱい取ったわね、きょうちゃん。
いいよ。へー。 よーし、これで歩けるよ、きょうちゃん。
休みだ休みだ。
歩きたいって。で、はい、お父さんヒップシートつけて。
シートつけたら歩くっていうことじゃない。
じゃあお母さんが荷物持って、きょうちゃんもね、お尻を向けてる。
見てないじゃん。
最近のハマり。しまっちゃった。